Guys, this is Predwell and we playing Gangster Vegas. In today's video, I have a very awesome thing to review, guys. I have reviewed all the spirit cars, right? Now, I am going to review the Spirit Drive, the one and only spirit bike in the game. Okay? Yeah, guys. First, let us look how does this thing looks. Okay. Okay. It shows something because of this bike. Warning open and just finished. It's the specialty of the bike. Whoa. Okay. Look at the back, guys. It's in the lavender color. I love this thing. Okay. Oh, she's sleeping on the bike. Girl, get up. I need to drive the bike. Okay, finally. Yeah, guys, I like the gun when she does like this. Cali Lig. It's a very awesome bike. Look at the speed of this thing, okay? This is the one and only spirit bike in the game, guys. Look at the strips on the road, so fast. You may cannot observe it, but when you ride this, you only comment down below for this video that it's a very nice bike. This is a very costly bike. It costs about 7 million diamonds, guys. Wow. Yeah, guys, this bike can do many things that which other bikes cannot do. Okay. Okay. This technique many bikes can do, but some of the bikes cannot do it. Okay. Accelerate and brake and one wheel lift. Okay. Okay. Look at this thing, guys. Okay. It's a pretty heavy bike and this thing can do all the stunts, guys. A stop, a wheelie, okay? To do a stop, you need to be in a high speed for this bike because it's heavy. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Guys, I'm fallen down. Still, I'm sitting in the bike. Wow. Okay. I got up. It became straight by itself. Did you see that? Okay. Yeah, guys. Now let us talk about the pros of this vehicle. The pros of this vehicle is it's even have neon lights in them, just like a spirit car, okay? And it's a very nice bike and it's invincible. You may think, Prajwell, what do you mean by invincible? Invincible means undestroyable, guys. Okay, now you may think, where are the neon lights? See the tires, guys, complete plain, right? Okay, now look at the glow in the tires. Wow, okay. Now, this thing can do many stunts. Because it's invincible, nothing can damage this thing, okay? Let us do some stunts, okay, guys? First, let us go over here. Jump, jump. Whoa, look at so long jump, guys. No bike in the game can do so long jump with a so slow speed, okay? This can go in a very high speed, okay? Okay, let us go ahead and do the jump. Not this jump, the next jump. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sorry. Yeah, guys, this is the only bike, the one and only vehicle in the game which can jump so high. Okay. Yeah, guys. I said that invincible. It's invincible. You guys will not believe it, right? Okay, let me show you it. Okay. Unfortunately, I don't have granites. Let me buy some other granites, okay? I think I should have. Okay. Look at the damage, guys. Okay. These advertisements, guys. I hate these advertisements. You comment down below that do you like these type of advertisements? Okay. For getting rid of these advertisements, I need to take this thing means, guys. Okay. It's actually a funny advertisement. Okay. Okay, guys. Let me equip this thing, okay? Now, let me show you how does these granites work on this bike. Okay, guys. The game is going to start. Whoa. Where's my bike? Okay, it's there. Let us throw these granites on them, okay? One, two. Okay, let me go a little far. I will take damage. Okay, three, four. Okay. Yeah, guys, I threw so many grenades just upon it. But look at the health. Completely full. Okay. I cannot even heal this thing. See, guys, I'm clicking on the healing arrow, but it does not. Okay. Now, let us go to the army base and test out how does this thing work in the army base. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at the jump, guys. Look at the tires. So big, right? Okay. The game is... I don't know why. Okay, now it became smooth. I need to complain this thing to Gameloft. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I know the route to the army base. Guys, I just heard a MT6 bike sound, guys. The bike which you get in the deserts, you find them. People riding. I don't know from where did those bikes come onto these roads to the city. Did they update this thing? I don't think so. Okay. Yeah, guys. Look at so smooth this bike is, guys. That spirit is holding me tight. Okay. I think somewhere over here you need to take a right. Whoa, 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 whoa. Is this thing? Must be. Yeah, guys. We are going to see the army base. In 3, 2, 1. See at the right side, guys. You can see the army base. Okay. Let us enter the army base. But don't let them near you or else they will kick you out, guys. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that speed, guys. The noobs of this thing is the handlebar. Okay. Only that is a noob, guys. The turning is very sharp, but the handlebar looks very different. Even that comes into pro. There's no noobs in this bike, guys. Okay. Okay. People come, attack me, attack me. I don't see people. Okay, look at the map, guys. I'm alone in the army base. I think there's something wrong with the map. It's totally transparent. It must be a bug. Okay, it's okay. Whoa. Okay, now someone at least came. Okay, now there are many people. Jackalopes are not there when I need them. Okay, look at them shooting at me, okay? But look at the health. Okay, I'm not even losing a so less health. I'm not even losing health. Okay, they're shooting at me. Okay, guys. Now let us see, guys. I'll hit the heal button again for you guys. See, guys, I cannot heal. Okay, guys. Let us find a jackalope. Okay, there. Shoot me, shoot me. Okay. Yeah, guys, it went on me. Okay. See, guys, he'll shoot me. Bro, come on, shoot me. Okay. Look at the damage I'm taking, guys. 0% of damage. Okay. Still 0%. There's nothing can destroy it. Just water. Water is the one and only thing which can destroy it. Okay. Look at how the jackalope is shooting at me. Shoot me again, bro. But look at the health. Completely full. I'll hit the heal button. You can see it. Repair kit. See, guys, I'm hitting it, but nothing. Wow. Yeah, guys, it's a completely invincible vehicle. Okay. Yeah, guys, for this video only this much. For this video only this much. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications. Bye, guys. I'll meet you in the next one. Wow. Cool bike, right?